Hi everybody, this is Jen from Cookies, Cupcakes, and Cardio.com. Today I'm going to show you a special project that we worked on, and it is a very cool iPhone cake. So I'm just going to give it a spin so you can see all of the different sides of it, and then we're going to zoom in for a close-up, and I'm going to talk you through some of the different elements and the tools that we used for this really cool cake. So to make this cake, we started with a 12 by 18 pan, and then we carved it in order to match the ratio properly with the screen because we wanted the phone to look realistic. And so along the sides, we put fondant detail and used our airbrush to do the brushed metal, just like you'd see in an actual phone. So when we get to the top along here, you can see like the earpiece where you'd put your headphones and the volume button controls, the on and off power switch up at the top there. Just going around here, the little divots in between the brushed metal, those were hand painted with black paint. And of course, what you can see on the top is the edible image. So what we've done is cut out all the different details, use the different apps and the on-off switch at the bottom there, the home screen switch. And so we think that this is a fabulous cake, great present, great for a groom's cake as well. We've done one of those. And we just wanted to show you what you can do with an airbrush, with an edible image, all those sorts of different things to create a really cool and unique cake for that special somebody. So thanks for watching. Remember to subscribe to our channel. We're also on Google+, Twitter, and Facebook. So find us on one of those down below on either our channel page or in the show notes. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you again next time.